Hi guys, so earlier today I made it to Dushanbe, Tajikistan. It's really hot outside here, like 100 degrees Fahrenheit. But anyways, the same thing happened to me today, what happened to me in Astana, Kazakhstan earlier this year. The police stopped me twice and they didn't want me to take photos or videos. And for whatever reason why, I had to convince him that I was deleting the photos. So therefore, it was really hard to make this video, but I tried my best to give you a little sneak peek of the city. First impressions of Dushanbe: empty, clean, quiet, and rural. One of my favorite things to do when visiting a new place is sit on a bench and people watch. Observe how they dress, how they act with their friends, and what they do on their free time. Alright guys, me and Islam over here walking around the market. He's a local here, he works in a hotel, and offered to give me a walking tour of the city.
His name is the Green Bazaar Showman, sir.
Pretty standard to what you'd think a market in Tajikistan would look like. Fake DVDs, electronics, fruit, especially watermelon, this tasty bread, and ice cream. I met a few people who were all friendly as I expected. We wandered around the streets in the blistering hot sun. We went in some shops. Tajik hat, look nice. And walked in the main square, which had a bunch of monuments. We're walking in the downtown part of the city. Pretty cool. The biggest and most dominant thing in this city is a 541-foot tall flagpole. The second tallest flagpole on Earth. You really have no idea how tall this thing is until you're standing directly under it. By night, we stumbled upon this annual festival of peace. After a delicious Tajik meal, I called it a day. And what a day it was. So, over the next week, I'll be touring around this region with G Adventures, so stay tuned for lots of new content across Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, and Kyrgyzstan.